Okay, so this is Netlogo, and this is going to show you how you can use this for simulations and things and where to find the models and so forth. So when you get this page, it's just a blank page. So what you want to do to find some models is go up to the model library, okay? And this will list a ton of models, and you have a search key down here. So for example, I'm going to look for bacterial infection. This is one a student just asked about, so I'm going to open that down here, um, right here. So I open that and give it a minute, and this is going to open up. So this is whatever it's programmed for. So if you click on the info here, it tells you a little bit about it. So it does tell you what each thing does, gives you some ideas of some things to try, um, and it gives you some extending some models, some related models if you wanted to look at those, um, and kind of where it came from. And it tells you how to cite it, which is useful for IA work. And then if you're geeky, here's the code. Um, that's all Greek to me. So once you have this, then you can change whatever you want. So I could change the reproduction rate. So keep everything the same. I set it up. I go and I get some of these and kind of how the different ones change over a certain amount of time. I could increase this, and then set it up, go, and see how that actually changes any of the values and things. Okay, so this is one model. Again, there's other models too. Like just since we're on bacteria, we could look at say viruses. This is one that's pretty good. Um, so you set up how many people you initially have, infectiousness, chance to recover, duration. Again, if you look on the info, you can see the population, like what these things mean, and you can get to the code. So I don't know why the loading thing is still there. I'm going to load it again. Um, so, okay, now I have two of them. Lovely. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you can set this up and you hit go, and you can get some different things here. You can change those values. So it's really good for an IA. And then this can be compared to, say, the real world or something like that. So that's how you can use NetLogo here. Okay, thank you.